Bonjour à tous. Today let us see second exercise in page number 55. It is also future. Future you know very well. The verb should be written as such and you have to add the endings. What are all the endings? AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT, ONT. Okay. So now Samdip Prasham Aparo celebre. Celebre is a ER verb, so it is a regular verb. So you have to write the conjugation like this and may paro. So the word may indicates that my parents. So my parents is plural. So you have to pick up ILS conjugation. So I have picked up ILS conjugation here. Got it? Okay, now let us move on to the next one. On with a is a ER verb. So you have to write the verb as such and you have to add the endings, future endings which I have highlighted here. And then je is the subject. So for je you have to pick up this verb, this conjugation. Je, Jean with Got it? Okay, now let us move on to the next one. Nous être. Être is an irregular verb. The radical for être is ser. And for ser you have to add this future endings. Okay, so I've written the verb and you have to write the future endings. Okay, then nu. What is the nu conjugation here? What is the nu conjugation here? Nu seront. Nu seront. So that's what I have written here. Then next one is nu dash manger ensemble. Manger is a verb. So what is the nu conjugation here for manger? Nu mangeront. So you have to write the answer here. No manjaro. That's what even I have written here. Okay. Then dancer is a ER verb again. So you have to write the verb as such and you have to add the endings which I have highlighted. And then again for nu it is danseron. Nu danseron. So you have to write like this. Nu danseron. Then decorer. It is also ER verb again. So you have to write the verb as such and you have to add the future endings. And then for nu you have to pick up this nu decoreron. Okay, so that's what even I have written here and highlighted. Got it? Okay, now ili awar. Okay, awar is an irregular verb. So the radical is AUR. I have written here. So you have to write the radical and you have to add the future endings. Okay, so for il you have to pick up ore. Aura. So that's what I have written here also. Got it? Okay, now let us move on to the next one. Fair. Again, fair is an irregular verb and the radical for fair is fair. So I have written the verb and you have to add the endings. Got it? Okay, then the next one is mama. So mama means mummy. Mama means mummy. So for mummy, you have to pick up el ferra. Okay, so you have to pick up L conjugation. Mummy is she. So for she, it is L in French. So L conjugation. You have to pick up L conjugation. It is ferra. So that's what even I have written here. Okay. Sorry, it should be ferra. Mistakenly, I have written fe. It's wrong actually. It is ferra. Got it? Okay. Now, mettre verb. Mettre is a RE verb. So for RE verb, you have to remove that E at the last and add the endings. Future endings. Then, so the answer is je mettre. Okay. Then, éteindre is again RE verb. Éteindre is RE verb. So for éteindre, you have to remove E at the last and you have to add the future endings. Got it? Okay. So, I have told you earlier for éteindre, you have to for on you have to pick up il conjugation. You have to pick up il conjugation. Okay. So you are writing the il conjugation here. Got it? Il éteindre. Okay. Now je souffle. Souffler is a ER verb. So you have to write the verb as such and you have to write the future ending. And for je you have to pick up je soufflerai conjugation. Then next one is shantar. Shantar is a er verb, so you have to write the verb as such, and you have to write the future ending. And for me zami means my friends, so may mes, for mes always you have to take ils conjugation, so it is may zami shantaru. Got it? Okay, so that's all. Please be thorough with this. I'll repeat here. It is actually FERA. Mistakenly, I have written here. It's FERA. Got it? Okay. So please be thorough with the future conjugations. Future conjugations are very simple. For all the regular verbs, like the verbs ending up with ER and IR, you have to write the verb as such, and you have to add the future ending. And for RE verb, you have to remove E at the last, and you have to add the future ending. And for other irregular verbs, you have to memorize the radical, and to that radical you have to add the future endings. Got it? Okay. Merci. Merci beaucoup.